The beginnings of our school are placed in 1881 as a vocational school, but changing several times its name or even its location. After many changes, in 1991 our school becomes Agricultural School Group, and since 2002 our institution has the name of the great plastic artist Marcello Guguiano. Since December 1889 until today, hundreds of generations specialize themselves in agricultural, mechanic or economic areas, depending on historical periods that they crossed. If at the beginning trades like carpentry, wheelwright or locksmith were important for the training of the students, nowadays competencies in ecology and environment protection areas, mechanic or administrative and economic activities impose another standards of training to the students. Our school owns a modern reading room with an average of 40,067 volumes, endowed with multimedia equipment and organized in accordance with the demands of the modern education standards, two informatics laboratories, microbiology and chemistry labs, technical drawing and mechanic labs, and also two workshops where the students can acquire practical competencies. As a result of the educational level quality and of the undoing, in 2006 the practical test of the technical interdisciplinary contest on national phase carried on in our school. Also, in 2006, our school reached 125 years since its setting up. On this occasion, remarkable guests have participated at the activities that took place during those two fast days, 15 and 16 December. Formal and present students and teachers of the school, by the side of Master Marcello Guguiano as a formal teacher and of the member of the Academy, Rado Miron, as a formal student, have offered to this event a special feature. The students and the teachers of our school are involved in a lot of the activities caused by important days. The promoting of the European dimension in our school and community aims the intercultural education, the increase of the quality of the educational records, the learning of foreign languages, the granting of equal chances for all the children, no matter race, sex or religion they are, the modernization of the material base and the using of the informatics and communication technology in all the classes. All this represents the objectives of the European integration policy and of the forming of the future citizens of the European Union. On the project called Technology and Art for a Friendly School, through extracurricular activities have participated 60 students and teaching staff, and had as a main objective the setting up of an educational environment specific to a friendly school. Through this project, a radio station has been set up in our school, a booklet with the CD has been published, booklet that presents information about the project, and a plastic art exhibition of the most illustrative works created by pupils during the project activities. The project named Architecture du paysage, projection dans la français des espaces verts, realized in partnership with Lycée du Puy from France, involved 50 students and 10 teachers from those two schools, having as a main objective the knowledge of the essential elements of architecture of the landscape. The project involved the visit of the Romanian students in France and those French in Romania, elaborating as final product the site of the project and a trilingual guide containing terms using the landscape architecture. Between 2006 and 2007, the project Conservation des espaces essentiels des écosystèmes dans les réserves naturelles took place in collaboration with LEGTA Tour France. The target group has been formed by 18 teachers and 84 students from both schools, having as final product the trilingual guide containing the nature reserves and parks from Romania and France, studied during the project, also a web page that contains the results of the project, and a presentation on CD of the project activities and of the visit realized during a visit. The project History, Societies and Education took place between 2006 and 2007, having as main objectives the comparing of the European educational systems, identifying the specific features for introducing the modern pedagogical methods, and promoting the concept of European citizens, identifying the cultural aspects of each member nation of this project. The target group, formed by 198 students and 25 teachers, have created a site of the project and an A to Z History, Societies and Education guide, also printed on a CD. Local Public Administration Transparency from the Initiative of the Citizens is a project where 6 students and 4 teachers study the involvement of the local administration in solving the local problems. In October 2008, the project Teacher 2000 Plus, A Teacher for Tomorrow, was launched. Through it, an average of 50 teachers from our school are trained for using the new educational methods and techniques during the classes. Finally, the relation between teachers, form teachers and parents must be a permanent communication-based relation for the educational process to have the results that the teaching staff had proposed.